You are in RITEC review for Citybee. Let's open Citybee and explain how to use this application. And this is really good. You want to drive or rent a car for small time or for long time. So here I'm gonna reserve the nearest car. We have here the Fiat 500. It shows you the fuel. Now here my payment, then I reserve the car. After reservation you have 15 minutes to go and pick up the car, and when you are near the car you need to click on the unlock button, and then you will be able to get the car. So let's start walking, and after we walk we will get the card and we will show you how to use it.
Take a breath, you fill up my lungs. And if my mind works back.
So now we are here inside the car. You always find the key here. It will be here or down here. Then this one we have manual. So if you don't know manual, please don't choose manual, choose automatic from the app. So now let's give it a ride just to see. And you always will find the fuel here. And you can find the debit card, and with this one you can go to the circle company, and then you look for 95 and you can put the oil. You don't need to pay anything, everything is covered. You just put the credit card, put 95, and that's it for the fuel. So let's give it a ride. First of all, put your seatbelt, don't forget. Put your seatbelt all the time. And now you can. So put your mirrors, everything correctly before starting your car. Now let's move on.
When I close my eyes, I can almost see it. When I take a breath, you fill up my lungs. And if my mind works backwards just for a minute, I'd hold on to you before the memory's gone.
This red zone, when you finish your trip, it means you can park here. So let's complete the trip. And this fuel card code, you click there and it's the code for your car that I show you inside car. So let's complete the trip. Yes, and done. You have finished your trip,
It will tell you how much you pay per distance, per minute, discounts, everything. See you guys. It's good new review from RITEC. Follow me, subscribe to the channel.